Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. The question says, these two triangles are similar. Find the value of x. Remember, if two triangles are similar, the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Notice that in these two triangles, corresponding sides have the lengths of 6 and 33, 8 and x, 10 and 55. So let's write the ratios. 6 over 33. Next one, 8 over x. Last one, 10 over 55. All ratios must be equal. To find the value of x, we can use two ratios. So 6 over 33 is equal to 8 over x. To solve this, we can use cross product. So 6 times x equals 8 times 33. To find the value of x, we need to isolate the x. To isolate the x, we can divide both sides by 6. So this 6 and this 6 cancel off. X is going to be 8 times 33 over 6. As you know, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So x is going to be 8 times 11 over 2. And one more time, 2 times 2 is 1, 8 times 2 is 4. Therefore, the value of x is going to be 4 times 11. As you know, 4 times 11 is equal to 44. And this is the correct answer. Have fun.